It is an aspect of film you don't always consider, the music. It can help set the emotional tone for the story, providing a layer of depth and complexity to the art form, creating the perfect combination of sight and sound. And the music you'll be hearing does exactly that. We are on the Mid-South Audio stage today with Destined, and I'm talking today with Dave Sean Brewer. Welcome.
Thank you for having us. Thank you for having us.
So introduce us to everybody else. Who do we have here?
All right, so I'm Dave Sean Brewer. We have Takina over here, one of the singers. We have another singer here, Shannon Pierce. And then we have Michael Wooten as well. On the keyboards, we have Robert. And on drums, we have Raheem. And we are Destined.
Destined. Okay, so we mentioned the soundtrack.
Yes.
Tell us about the movie that you wrote the soundtrack for.
So the movie is called Sunny in a Storm. It's basically about dealing with your trauma, effectively dealing with your trauma, and making sure that, you know, we're lifting each other up in the midst of dealing with it. I feel like sometimes we tend to overlook the fact that, you know, trauma is real, mental health is real, and it's just dealing with that, dealing with it properly, and just going through the phase with prayer and everything with it. So
Yeah. So what was the songwriting process like for you?
So the songwriting, it was a little bit different. I had actually wrote the song before I wrote the film.
Okay.
So it just kind of fit together, to God be the glory. So it fit together, so we were able to, you know, combine them, and it's just been a pleasure doing it thus far.
Yeah. So where can we hear the music from Destined?
So right now we have dropped the 2 songs that you guys will be hearing today. We have dropped those on SoundCloud. Later in the week, next week, we'll be putting on my other platforms, but as of right now, it is on SoundCloud.
Okay, so what are the 2 songs you're going to perform for us today?
So today, first we're going to be performing I'll Be Your Light, and then the second song will be a song that we wrote called Got You.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, from the Mid-South Audio stage, Destined.
Comes, and when you speak, they say it's all in your mind. Your mind. Smiling, and through your pain, peace is hard to find. Hard to find. Emotions, weakness, feelings pushed aside. Strong and hiding, how you feel inside. Don't know how you're gonna make it through your night. But like the stars, I'll be your light.
I'll be your light.
Seeing you through the darkest hours, your light. Guiding you through the deepest trenches, your mind. Bigger than you'd ever know. This I know for sure. 'Cause I'll be your light.
Lonely nights, the room is full and no one hears the sound. Her scream so loud. Don't have to be perfect. A love is here to stay, no backing down. Yet you hear them say, emotions, weakness, feelings pushed aside. Being strong and hiding how you feel inside. Don't know how you're gonna make it
Once again, from the Mid-South Audio stage, Destined.
Being a man isn't always easy. Being so strong isn't always fun. Life comes crashing down. Sometimes it seems it's easier to run.
Expectations are sometimes off the charts. No one is there to mend your broken heart. Your ground is shaking, faith is breaking. But I got you. Just know that I got you. And remember I care.
When you're in trouble or down on your luck, just trust I'll always be there.
'Cause you are my brother and a friend, this is true. When waves of doubt come rushing and taking over, know that I got you.
'Cause I got you.
I got you. I got you. I got you. Trying to be the perfect father. Show me the rules to a perfect son. Men don't cry, wipe your eyes. Some things just have to be done.
Expectations are sometimes off the charts. No one is there to mend your broken heart. Your ground is shaking, faith is breaking.
But I got you. Just know that I got you. And remember I care. When you're in trouble or down on your luck, just trust I'll always be there. You are my brother and a friend, this is true.
When waves of doubt come rushing, taking over, know that
I got you. 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 So if you think
that you're all
and
alone,
you're so
tired of being strong,
tired,
trust that I got you, bro. Just lift your head.
men have emotions that have to be said.
And if you think
That I let you fall.
again,
Just
no,
please don't fail. We
don't
just
fail.
learn to adapt. To be and bro, know that I got your back. Say I got you. Just know that I got you, and remember I care. When you're in trouble and down on your luck, just trust I'll always be there. 'Cause
You are my brother, and a friend, this is true. When waves of doubt come rushing and taking over, know that I got you. 'Cause I got you. I got you. I got you.